Hello everyone. Today we embark on an enlightening journey delving into the harmonious blend of ancient artistry and cutting-edge technology in coconut processing. Join us as we uncover the myriad wonders hidden within this versatile fruit, which transcends its status as a mere tropical delight to become a symbol of nourishment and enrichment in our lives. Step into the verdant embrace of lush, tropical landscapes, where the rhythmic sway of coconut trees and the gentle rustle of leaves paint a captivating scene. Coconut cultivation stands as a cornerstone of agricultural activity in tropical regions. With meticulous care taken in propagating young trees, from meticulously selected dried coconuts sourced from thriving parent trees. However, the journey of coconut cultivation is no small feat. It demands patience and perseverance, with young trees taking up to 3 years to bear their inaugural harvest. Some resilient coconut varieties may require a staggering 25 to 30 years to reach their zenith. Yet their eventual bounty, yielding up to 200 to 300 fruits per tree annually, rewards the diligent farmer with a veritable bumper harvest. Venturing into the realm of coconut harvesting, we confront the inherent risks of this daring endeavor. Only those possessing a blend of experience and fearlessness dare to ascend the lofty heights to gather these prized fruits. For those less adept at scaling trees, innovative tools offer a safer alternative to partake in the harvest. Coconut, hailed as one of the most vital crops, particularly thrives in the balmy embrace of Southeast Asian regions. When ripened to perfection, the tender flesh within exudes a delectable sweetness, signaling the opportune moment for harvesting. Pre-harvest vigilance assumes paramount importance in safeguarding product integrity. Cracked coconuts or those tainted by bacterial contamination risk diminishing their commercial value. In locales like Thailand, the fascinating tradition of training monkeys for coconut harvesting adds a unique dimension to the agricultural landscape. An intriguing facet of coconut harvesting lies in the practice of immediately quenching one's thirst with the refreshing water found within freshly cracked coconuts. This natural elixir, with its inherent sweetness, serves as a delightful thirst quencher. Depending on their intended use, coconuts are transported to specialized processing facilities. The delicate and skillful process of removing the coconut husk is the first step in this journey. Securing the dried coconut in place, whether on a table or the ground, is crucial. Even without specialized tools, the husking process ensures that every part of the coconut is utilized. After husking, the dried coconut husk fibers undergo a remarkable transformation. Crushed into a fluffy material and fed into weaving machines, these fibers yield sturdy threads used for various purposes. From ropes to baskets, and even road coverings, every part of the coconut finds purpose, exemplifying its sustainability. The ground and compressed dry husks serve a vital role in road construction. Emerging as a notable solution for road paving materials, coconut husk offers superior properties. Its excellent water drainage capabilities and porous structure make it an ideal, cost-effective alternative to traditional materials like gravel or concrete. Have you ever savored the delectable taste of coconut cake? From finely chopping and grinding fresh coconut meat to blending it with sugar and coconut milk, each step in making coconut cake is a delightful journey. The enticing aroma and appealing colors of the golden brown cake leave everyone eager to indulge in its tropical flavors. Experience the enchantment of a coconut jelly production workshop, where coconut water is transformed into delightful treats. As the coconut water cooks into jelly, the hardened layer is expertly carved into cup-shaped pieces, adding intrigue to the process. Finally, the coconut jelly is poured into its original core, ready to tantalize taste buds. Beyond culinary delights like coconut rice, coconuts serve as a rich source of nutrients. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, coconut water offers numerous health benefits, from boosting energy to enhancing the immune system. Its low-calorie and fat-free nature make it an ideal beverage for health-conscious individuals. Additionally, coconuts play a pivotal role in the beauty industry, with products like coconut oil, body wash, and skin lotion harnessing their nourishing properties. From extraction to distribution, modern production lines ensure the preservation of coconut's natural essence, offering consumers a taste of tropical indulgence. In conclusion, the coconut tree stands as a symbol of sustainability and resourcefulness, with every part finding purpose and utility. From husk to harvest, coconuts offer a wealth of benefits that enrich our lives in countless ways. Let us continue to celebrate and harness the remarkable versatility of this extraordinary fruit, ensuring its legacy for generations to come.